Kurbon kuika man eto kibuno monto yik mamwire police akambi kuno lichiko asibu eko to kwachi mambadon omo women kisi county osoim ubati si mwana nyora kia ege kogera te konyale garu mwana mo tabu atu mwana mostini nara mai kurwatu again
no bororo to ni mechane menene waseri koro binga bunebi bigokore kanese town ya Mugonga na kero mugaka ubwate myaka 70 se myaka 80 agosari omwana bwe emyaka 7 ondonya to itwaje temono okwegera abana kinyaruka mama count muswata ngo muno yukura nyoire bunge abantu banga muno umwedi bichiko banyare bagosibu nakobwatu na kutwa asama litangoro kubito ndeke yenda no mwana manye kaine buno monoge no monoge ande wake banyike mae njera teyo umwaka monna gwe myaka 70 aranyare gusari umwana gwe mekimbia meki yato umwana uri grade 84 taisa inyo kobera no muntu wate myaka 70 egende kineke besana gya korekanira ase kwisi county yitu anana mono mucho Mugonga nande tokota kugiyanja
korekanete omusaza oyo tokoreire boire aragererigwe yetangoro police station koro stage ya Mugonga ekorangero gya kora tu ryarengeria igoro kya ingekebe abagaka babanene bagokora ebintu bagokorera ebichuchu ebingare agimba kuri bantu banga banene babakorera gose bana bangina
ebe onyo sabagaka banga munabo n'abana bawukira banga munabo banyare bakorenda banyare busubone bwabo
naho kukwira wika chinsemo cha Masago iyo gutoka ime ya Kiumbu ebunge ya Nyaribari chache nigo abamenye betinsemo cyo baborire obutuki bwabwango gukorekana kubwatikana negekora asomubire mu musacho yomo yarete gutoka kore n'ikingoma chintindi uyo nyarete guhito wika ugukwa naboigo mubiro yo orenge ase parambara bare chinsemo cha eremo nabamenye betinsemo cyo gusanga nigo banyarete korauna tibamanyiti kereto musacho yo guhito korinde kero babore bantu bonsi korenda abana babona boigo chia mati chabo ana mono chinga kibune chiga kero ebikorwa byobosalia byabere bikomentekana
nabo ekenyure kene kiane ambo mwa bisabro kesen nabo kama mbigira ngo kabo murugione atigo ciaro go yasto kanyoreta kagondo gakona ko tunya kuragera rende bono ngo jwe kamata na nyoro muntu kweto enje buna richi koria serikali rigoteba kuno mugapti nare kwobwa na kesi ni aso mugambi omoke media dingo mugambi na tax responsibility oikaiga iye kenyora watu anyoro mungwane kana murigire na nyora nimo manyete taswa nara no antare kumanya na nara wa kai report egerente bie ikenyoro kemanya usaba gambi manya serikali igorende namo manya sama dita nara akurukumbera ntomo manyete igorende nabajare ngego ikiraigo tuensi ntubwata abana lakini nari gusaba abaigori mokoro gwanja koino mosomera abana baino mubabeke buya egera abana batwareri njerengi ya batari senjere bwenerate into kende amakoso na ringa okoranga taiteiriga kero tokurigereria taiteiriga kera serikali ya monchora ya nyora ngabe tiro muyo Mugongo na manyinga tayonsa una kana iko ketiringo ngiarengo igorende okoranga itiretwara akare tugaiga
twabire no mwichano sana kertwanya reporting no mwana omuntu mbera nyarira kabaga okwa twakumiri bone ma bidwa kurisi mingo mwana ule kwande skuru anyalwo mwana uyo muntu mbera kare para linde twanyarire wikororo kera tuikororo mane ndu twabo mwana ntana magwanyo takarara bube ngende ndo yugo kumingelinga mwana uyo muntu lirara so ikundu achiro basigari ba munjo ira manga twanyarire ngabitire mu ikuru Mugongo tugusaba abantu betu ngaki nebo muntu okogose mwabire guse mukwanire onyoko gosera mwabirane akya abantu baminda makwire ichiro gusimu nabone kinyire kegeito uyu muntu nando gatatu kwire turakura kwena abantu bone kinyire kemo abantu batatu nandi familia ya otugusaba abana baminto inyukuru mukarakali uzone turi mukarakali tema gutarana abantu batari abakarakali
utigana nayo kurose vinyoro ime nigo bono murai wensi ya Kenya Muske William Ruto bono alirira yogo chakone kibuna ensi ya Kenya ne nyari kubwatirana nensi ya Tanzania ka ukono kuro asensi yo ya Tanzania Muske Ruto nigo atebire muna chinsi chiga ibere nchibwati bo bisabunda bwensi nabo igomba be bakubwatirana ase amangana yo bonchoreria nabo igokone kibuna abakenya nabo igabo Tanzania banyare konyora obuya wetera omorembe oyo ora obere gokonekiwa nabo igo rachie ko bagokonekwa ase amatuko arevosio.
We want to recalibrate our relationship. We want to re-engineer our engagement because, as has been said here, Kenyans are not enemies of Tanzanians, and Tanzanians are not enemies of Kenyans. Our enemy is poverty, unemployment, and lack of development. And we can confront this enemy together. We will succeed together. The sooner and the faster we understand that, the better for all of us, and the sooner we find the solution. Look at what has happened in just 2 years. We have investors taking up opportunity in Kenya to the tune of $300 million in just 2 years. And they are not just taking up opportunity in Kenya, they are using Kenyan financial institutions to acquire those businesses. That is how collaboration works. Instead of complaining, look for the opportunity and take it up.
Nase umugasorero nigo murai wense anyara gusanga murai wense ya Kenya Muske William Ruto anyara koruka bosio bwebunge yenseri ya Tanzania na bwego gusanga na borosia amachiko benseyo echinga kecho nigo atebire buna asokorosia amachiko arigetie kokonya ense ya Tanzania ense ya Kenya na bwego rugongorwa East Africa nigo kora konye koeneke buna Abakenya, Abatanzania na bwigo bwatani abamenyi betinse chika bonsi banyarire kokonyeka nechinga kiachia atebrimna umurembe noro oranyari kwikirania ayonsi.
Warm greetings of the people and the government of the Republic of Kenya, as well as the goodwill of your fellow parliamentarians in our National Assembly and Senate. And in my company is both the leader of majority in Parliament, in the National Assembly, the leader of majority in the Senate, and the minority leader also in Senate, accompanying me. For far too long, relations among neighboring countries have been shaped by competition, suspicion, and rivalry, forces that have fragmented our markets, weakened our voice, and constrained our collective progress. Ndugu majirani, some of these forces are still very alive with us. They still shape our narratives. They still influence our relations. Yet, our founding fathers, Mzee Mwalimu Julius Kambarage Nyerere and Mzee Jomo Kenyatta, saw beyond this prism. They understood that Africa's future would not be secured in isolation, but in unity, and they planted the seed of regional integration because our destinies are intertwined and our strength lies in moving forward together.
Gendera kwemanya yona yanda mange agwetera Getembe TV mugasobono na bwigotumirane ase kionga chinse ikomi erinde tunyareko yasanga orose bimanyero nere veni nyaboke kuruko Matilda Oboigo yarigene kigima asomoro byo so asebyo rale twasore nere DJ Creeper na boigo. Munyaruka Mela Tora oburigereria ovia.
Ine nugene teach stage chichi saisi au lighting